So I finally figured out why my hair stopped growing in 2018. And in this video, while I prepare my hair for wash day, I'll be sharing with you the tips and the things I have been doing to get my hair to start growing again. Keep watching if this interests you. So I took down that hairstyle in the first clip and my hair was dry because it had been exposed to AC and harsh weather conditions. And these are the steps I take to make sure that I cut down the wash time in half. And I also use some products to kind of make my breakage a little less. I'll be using these 3 products: the water, the conditioner, and the white tooth comb as well. So first thing I like to do is to spray my hair with water, and then I just use my finger to detangle. While I do this, I'm going to tell you guys what I've been doing to get my hair to grow again and what I did that stopped it from growing in the first place. So one thing I did before was to trim my hair. Now I know a lot of people say trim your hair periodically, but if your hair doesn't need a trim, you shouldn't go about trimming it. And when I trimmed my hair, I did it myself. I should have gone to a professional because I didn't really know what I was doing. And I know I went in and took more than 1 inch of hair. Now we all know that as black people, our hair doesn't grow as much as people with straight hair, and so I shouldn't have cut that much because I probably didn't need that much to go anyway. And I included a pre-poo routine, which is essentially just detangling your hair and getting it ready for wash day, which cuts down your wash day time in less than you would normally spend. And that's all the hair I lost from detangling my hair. This is my hair the day I washed it with this shampoo, and I had already washed it. I'm just trying to show you guys how neat my hair looks even though I washed it in twists. And I like to section it because it kind of gives you some kind of control. And then I'm going in with leave-in conditioner and some shea butter and then some oil. This is called LCO method: leave-in, cream, and oil. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys how pre-pooing kind of helps me to maintain length. Now look at how easily my finger is going to run through my hair. Because I already pre-pooed, which is prepared my hair before shampooing, look how my hair is separating without any stress. When I washed my hair in the bathroom, I wasn't even putting my fingers or using any comb to detangle because I had already detangled before going in. So just applied shampoo and used my finger to squeeze. And now I'm just using my finger to run the leave-in conditioner through my hair. Normally, if I don't detangle before I get into the shower or into the bathroom, my fingers would be stuck, my combs would be stuck. But look at how easily my brush is getting through my hair. And if you don't own a brush like this, or this brush stresses you out, you can use a white tooth comb. It will work just fine. So another thing that I did that was bad for my hair was letting people wash with their nails. Like when I would go to a salon, people will be using their fingernails to scratch my hair. They want to remove my brain with their fingers. So that was too harsh. Even though my hair felt clean and minty afterwards, I didn't need that. So I just resorted to washing my hair myself, and it's helping me bond and track my progress. Here I'm applying oil, in case you're wondering, and I'm massaging it so that it gets into the hair properly. And then I'm following up with my oil mix, which I made myself, and I'll always link this in the description box or in a card above. And then you can go in and comb again before you twist the hair up. I like to let my hair dry up in twists, moisturized twists, because my hair will stretch. And this is me preparing for my hairstyle, which is going to be crochet braids or any other protective style you want to do. So this method helps me keep my hair stretched, which brings me to my other point of using less heat on your hair. If you can stretch your hair without heat, then you should take that route. But if heat works better for you, make sure to use a heat protectant, and it will allow your hair to stay protected while you stretch it. And that's how pretty my hair looks, detangled and stretched and ready for styling while it dries. And this is all the hair I lost in that one section. This is with combing and detangling and everything. So I hope you can see that pre-pooing, amongst other methods, has really helped with curbing my breakage, less trimming, And yeah, if you have any more tips on how to reduce breakage and length retention, please drop them in the comment section below, and check out any of my previous videos before you leave. And I'll see you in my next video. If you want a part 2 with more tips, please let me know and I'll come back with that. Thank you and goodbye.